everyone. Here's your weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, August 6th. We've got more storms today, but we also have critical fire weather conditions, more because of the wind that is coming today. But like you said, showers and storms today. There will be some strong winds with those storms. Some of those gusts over 45 miles per hour, if not closer to 60 miles per hour, especially up in the central mountains, down around Oakley, over towards Pocatello, and over towards Palisades Reservoir. Now, we do have cooler and drier conditions coming midweek. Now, today, just mentioned, we do have critical fire weather conditions because the drier air is already moving in. It'll be breezy. We may see this again tomorrow in some areas with the wind and RH. And the weekend, the monsoon moisture comes back, so we may have to deal with more lightning and thunderstorms and fire potential as we head into the weekend. Satellite shows moisture still lingering early this morning over southeastern Idaho. We've had thunderstorms all night long down across the southeast corner, and those will continue probably to just before sunrise over that area before they move on out of the area. More moisture moving in from the south and west. That will be the next round coming later on today. And we have highlighted the areas where we have critical fire weather conditions in the red color. We do have the potential. We'll be close on coverage in the southeast highlands for critical fire weather conditions. A few thunderstorms and breezy down across the south hills. So a combination of things today where we do have the thunderstorms on top of the wind gusts that are going to be there already. Those thunderstorms will enhance those wind gusts. For Wednesday, we again may see near critical or critical fire weather conditions over portions of eastern Idaho. Otherwise, the drier air pushes any thunderstorm threat off to our north and east. We might see a few storms tomorrow and Thursday up around the Island Park area along the Montana border. And then we see the showers and thunderstorms returning starting Friday, but certainly into the weekend. And where we have the higher coverage, we have that at least for now listed as moderate on the weather risk matrix. So how are things shaping up for the rest of the day after the showers move out of the southeast corner? This morning we'll see some mid-level cloud cover. Now, whether or not that is an actual shower, it's virga, and we may even see a random lightning strike out of it. We'll have to see how things go over the next few hours. But as we go into later on today, this will start to expand to the north and to the east, and when that does, that's when we'll start to see the thunderstorm potential picking up. Most of the thunderstorms today will be generally Copper Basin up through Gilmore, back through Island Park along the Montana border. That's where the coverage will be highest. We'll see more thunderstorms later on in the afternoon and evening moving across the southeast highland, the bench areas from around Burley over towards Pocatello and Blackfoot. Those will move on to the east as we go into this evening, and not much expected for the rest of the night once we get this round out of here anyway. So back to the rest of the forecast. Temperatures today still on the hot side. Some areas pushing 100 degrees once again, and there are those humidities outside of the eastern and southeastern highlands. Those humidities down to around 15% or lower over a good chunk of the area. With the thunderstorms today, yesterday we saw quite a few reports of some decent rainfall. They'll be there today with some of the stronger storms, but the potential is down from yesterday. The better potential for decent rainfall will be shifting up into the state of Montana for this round of storms. Here are those wind gusts today. Some areas looking at 25 to 35 mile an hour gusts over the central mountains, portions of the Arco Desert into the Shoshone lava bed area. Some of those gusts may actually hit 40, and like I said, if we get some thunderstorms going in some of these areas, those gusts will be over 45 miles per hour. Going to tomorrow, it cools off as we see the flow going from southwest to west, but you see that air mass drying out, even some single-digit RHs for tomorrow. Wind gusts are there. They're down a little bit, but still could see some critical fire weather conditions in a few places, or at least close to that for tomorrow afternoon and evening. So for Thursday, the humidity comes up, but the temperatures drop even more. More 80s in the forecast for afternoon highs on Thursday. We're going to skip ahead to Saturday. We gradually warm up Friday and Saturday. Humidity doesn't really change a lot across the area, and that's because that monsoon moisture is back with us. So again, showers and storms today. Some of those storms could produce 45 to 60 mile an hour wind gusts. less of a chance of overall decent rainfall producing storms. Some of those will still produce some rain, but more of those dry thunderstorms versus wet thunderstorms. We get this round out of here. Cooler and drier conditions for midweek, but like today with the lower H and wind for some areas, tomorrow we may have a similar situation, and then the monsoon moisture, the thunderstorm, the lightning threat returns for the weekend. Have a great Tuesday, and do stay safe out there, everyone.